how does it feel for you being a Singaporean by birth, and what does citizenship mean to you?
Oh, I feel very fortunate. Being a Singaporean citizen meant a lot back then. We were given privileges, access to education and housing. But more than that, there was this strong sense of belonging. Everyone connected through shared experiences, no matter the race. In the past, the Singaporean identity was something that united us. Wherever you looked, you saw Singaporeans. We didn't born because of race, but because we grew up together, sharing the same struggles.